Jake, what are you doing? What are you doing? You want animal crackers? Where are you going with those? You're just kicking them? What are you doing? You want a cookie? Yeah. Okay. Let's open them. Here you go. You want a cookie? Here you go. How are you going to take one? Let's take one. What you got? You got cookies? Put the lid back on. What you got? Your hands full?